a girl did was a bop and the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss. I'ma shine like gloss. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss.
Hi now babes, welcome to my channel. My name is Jazz and today I have for you ladies a Red Iguana silicone practice hand review. Sorry if I sound so like one level, I just woke up. So as you can see, the box and the packaging is really pretty. It's pink. And this is the box that they give you for you to keep your silicone hand stored in. And it came with a discount code and a nice little message saying thank you for choosing our silicone practice hand. And yeah, I just really love the packaging. When I first initially got this practice hand, it was a year ago, almost a year ago. I got it on September 14th. I remember that day specifically because I waited. It was my first thing that I purchased to practice doing nails, and I was waiting so long to get this hand because I was just so excited. But it comes with this cute little diamond bracelet, and also comes with a ring too. My favorite thing about this was the packaging. I just really thought it was really cute and really a cute place to store my practice hand. It was just something that I thought was really cute, and I was just really excited to receive this hand because I wanted a realistic hand. I wanted something that looked close, to a human's hand. It would just motivate me more in the beginning. That's how I felt. But it also comes with the instructions on how to use the silicone hand and what to do and what not to do, which is really nice. When you purchase this hand, if you are going to purchase this hand, buy everything that comes with it. Buy everything. I didn't buy everything. I just bought the hand. I should have bought everything, and I'll explain that later, but buy everything that comes with it. They tell you exactly what to buy when you get on their website. And no, this is not sponsored. This is just me reviewing this hand for my own personal reasons because I wanted a practice hand to practice on for myself. And yeah, so this is how it looks coming out the packaging. It was packaged really pretty, really nice. I really liked how it looked. And I just thought it was really cute. And I was just super excited to try this hand out. And as you can see, it looks super duper realistic. Like out of all the practice hands, out of all the silicone hands that I did come upon, this was the best realistic silicone hand. They also have like other colors too, but I chose this one because it was like a popular one to choose. But as you can see, the hand is pretty heavy, nice and sturdy, like it could stand up on its own. And I'm just showing you how the hands move and how easy it is to move the fingers, which I thought was really cool. I do like that they gave like a nice little ring and bracelet to put on it, because it just, this hand cost $300 after tax. So it's nice that you're doing something a little extra, because that's not cheap to be spending on a hand for nails just to practice. Or even if you're an advanced nail tech, or just to even do tutorials with, that is not cheap. You can just buy another silicone hand. It won't look as realistic, but to spend that money for it, it was nice to see that they threw in something extra with that. But yeah, I just thought the hand was so cute. And in this video, I will give my full initial review after having it for almost a year. So what I'm telling you is my initial thoughts of the hand, not my full review. My full review is towards the end of this video, where I'm going to show you what the hand looks like, the condition it is now, and my thoughts on just, is it worth the money, who should buy this, why you should buy this, things like that, etc. So now I'm just posing the hand. I'm just showing you how the hand poses, you know, how it looks, how to maneuver the hand and everything like that, and pretty much just comparing it to like my actual hand, like my real hand, because, you know, that's why you buy it in the first place, because, you know, you want it to look real. So now I'm just gonna continue to dress her up. These are some press-on nails that I made for myself, and I'm just gonna, you know, see how pretty the hand looks. And I was really super excited to put these press-on nails in the hand, because it was so cute. Like, I was just so excited to have this hand because of how realistic it looked. And another reason why I tell you to buy the glue, the tips that they tell you to buy, because silicone, nothing's gonna be able to like really stick in there. Like right now I was trying like these tack things to see like if it would make it stick and stay, like, because it has like the rhinestone around it. So I was like, all right, I'm not gonna be able to stick it in the hand because of the rhinestone. So I was just trying to get it, you know, to be stationary. But you should buy everything that comes with it, because I tried to find other things to put with it, and like I just, for some odd reason, I could not find it. I don't know what it was, and I know there's other places that sell it. I could not find it. So if you could find it elsewhere, the tips that they have to go in there and with the glue, be my guest, go ahead. But if not, and if you just want to, you know, buy everything one shot, just do it on their site because they have it there. But as you can see, I'm just placing them in there. Just want to see how it will look. And for me, this is the perfect display hand. Like, if you have like your own, you know, little suite or display case or whatever, I think this is really nice. And it was really helpful, especially starting out, because what I would do is I would practice whatever design that I wanted to do on my client. And then, because, you know, I have my practice hand, what I would do is I would leave it in there and be like, this is the design that you're gonna get. And they got to see it. You know, they got to see, oh, okay, yeah, I like that. That looks nice. So, like, that's one thing. But look at that close-up. Look how pretty that looks. That looks super pretty. And I just really love the aesthetic of this practice hand. It is gorgeous. Okay, so now on to my full review. This is the hand after a year, and as you can see, you know, the hand looks a little different. It doesn't look the same. It looks a little wonky-ish. In my honest opinion on this hand is not for a beginner. Literally 2-3 days after I received my hand, one of the fingers broke, and then I reached out to the company, and pretty much they wanted me to send my hand back. I'm like, wait, but I waited for this hand for almost a month. You want me to send it back? I need this hand to practice. So I never sent the hand back. I show you after 2 days, one of the fingers broke, and you can't even just send me a replacement, and then I'll put the hand back in the box, send it back to you. I don't like the company's customer service. I'm just showing you basically the condition the hand has, you know, what it's become to, and you can't even really use it. I used those long, super duper long tips that everybody used, you know, with the point at the end that's super duper long. So I use that when I practice on this hand. I had a class that I had to use it for, and it was just a struggle. So for me, this is not a beginner's practice hand, and I would not advise this because this is too much money when you're starting off as a beginner. It's too much money to spend on a hand as a beginner. You have so many other things that you could spend your money on that, I just had that. I was able to do it, so I wanted to do it. But would I advise a beginner to get this hand? Absolutely not. The company, unless you're like a big influencer, I'm pretty sure they're not gonna really pay you any mind. And it took me a while to get my response. I had to go in. I had to message them every day. I had to do all that. So for me, I did not appreciate that at all. Would I buy another hand from them? No, not at all. If I want to display hands, I'll just buy one of them other silicone hands that will do the same thing and make the hand, display my stuff the same way. But at the stage that I'm at now, I don't care for one at all. I did get another practice hand, but it's not a silicone hand. It's the ones that you find off of Amazon. It's easier to practice on. It's way better for a beginner. And it's just easier to maneuver with the practice hand. So I would not recommend this. I actually don't even use my hand anymore, so it's a waste of money for me. But I'm gonna keep it because I spend money on it. But other than that, I don't even use the hand anymore. I have a whole new practice hand, so I wasted the money. So to stop anybody else from wasting their money, I would say do not get it. Just go to Amazon and get that $20 hand and practice whatever you gotta practice on there, because to spend $300 for a finger to break in different areas of the hand is a waste of money. And to think it's like, okay, if fingers broke after 2 days and I wasn't even using it, the fingers broke in the box. I took the hand out to use it, and the finger was broken. I was just so pissed because it's like I didn't even practice on the hand and the finger broke. So I was just not here for it. And then to think that I have to send my hand back. What happened if this is a constant thing? Am I going to constantly keep sending my hands back to you and waiting months on months? So no, and no. That is my full review. Thank you for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, see you then.